Tired of buying and managing multiple chargers for multiple devices? Why not get yourself a Zechin Samba All-in-One charger that will charge almost all of your devices simultaneously and in the most effortless way? In our video today, we'll share our thoughts on the Zechin Samba, the multi-purpose wireless charger that allegedly will free you from all hassles regarding charging. Let's find out if the charger is worth it, shall we? As you can see, it comes in a pretty average looking box. Opening it up and you get what looks like a user manual, a power cable to power the charger up, and the charger itself. Let's bring it out. So it's got like this nice and glossy stainless steel finish and feels pretty solid. There are no moving parts or whatever, except the charging pad right here, which has the ability to slide up and down. Cool feature. Wonder what it does. Anyway, here's the whole charger in its full splendor. Looks minimalistic and unique, gotta love that. At the back, it houses 3 different ports. The port right here is used in tandem with the power adapter to, well, power up the device. As an AIO charger, it also comes with the USB-A and USB-C ports so that you can truly take advantage of the term all-in-one. Flip it over and at the bottom, you can see a smooth rubber padded finishing that will ensure the charger won't accidentally slip away. If you're serious about power delivery, the exact specs are written below for convenience. In front, there's also a small indicator that lets you know if it has power. Let's put it into some use, see what happens. Placing our iPhone on the charger right now, and whoa, that was fast. It almost instantaneously recognized the device and started charging. Neat. Let's move up and use our Apple Watch to see what's what. And looks all good. You see, what we like about this is the ease of use. As you can see, it's so intuitive that a person with no knowledge of how wireless chargers work can use this, so kudos. And finally, we have our AirPods. We should place them right here at the bottom. Anyone who suffers from constant cable management will love this, no doubt. And coming at the back, we have our smartphones that come with both USB-A and USB-C charging ports. Let's see what happens. So, how this works is, with everything charging simultaneously, the device intelligently divides its total charging output by the number of devices and charges them equally, which is not surprising considering you're using a single source to charge multiple, in our case 5 devices. A good initiation from Zechin, since a lot of people are still not accustomed to wireless charging and actually prefer the old school wired method. With this charger, you're getting the best of both worlds. The design of this charger makes it very easy to use and looks good while using, since with the sliding capability of the charging pad, you can use your phone and enjoy content both in a portrait or a widescreen landscape mode while charging. Pretty well designed, we must say. If you're looking for a well-designed wireless charger that'll charge multiple devices simultaneously while increasing your room decor, you should definitely give the Zechin Samba a try. So, that was a hands-on review of the Zechin Samba All-in-One Wireless Charger. We hope this video will make your buying decision more simple and effective. Do let us know your thoughts on this charger, as we would love to hear from you. Please let us know in the comment section below, and as always, thanks for watching our video. Like and share with your friends if you find this video helpful, and subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.